Umana na mathina matiganite maria makoretwo magumeire a Kenya riu ciiko cia ciana kurutithio mawira mugaru na watho nithiete na mbere na kuongerereka undu uyu ukioneka kuongerereka ona mabururi-ini maingi gitaru-ini kia Afrika. Kurumirira mucemanio uria uratabanirio mwena wa NAIVASHA kaunti-ini ya NIKUO ugikuruhania mabururi 11 kuma Afrika kuhithukite ati gatagati-ini ga ciana ithano thiini wa thi umwe ni arutithagio wira uria atabatie gukorwo akiruta.
Kenya, we have been in the fight against child labor, and we have ratified various international conventions that address child labor, and that is ILO Convention number 138 on minimum age for admission to employment, as well as Convention number 182 that seeks to address the worst forms of child labor, elimination of the worst forms of child labor.
Ona kuri uguo mabururi maya ni maiguithanirie kuhura kampeini ya kuhurana na bara ya kuhukia ciiko cia ciana kurutithio mawira ugikinyiria mwaka wa 2025 kuona ona kuri namwe makoretwo magitiganiria mathomo niguo makarute mawira.
We have just ended the first phase of Axel, and so when we end the first phase we want to look at what went well, the impact that the project has had for the last 5 years of its existence, and we have a few countries coming in.
And these due diligence requirements will also increase the pressure to eliminate child labor and forced labor in global supply chains. Therefore, there needs to be good collaboration, international level, the regional targets as well, the African Union commitments on eliminating child labor, and what is happening at the country level.
Kuringana na riboti ya mwaka wa 2020 ciana itanyihiire milioni 160 ni ciarutithirio mawira matiganite na gatagati-ini kacio milioni 92 ni akuma gitaru-ini kia Afrika.
It is really a question of active policies on the government side, high level political commitment, and then bringing together all stakeholders, including working with the private sector.
A lot of countries do not have specific policies around child labor. Policies in Africa also around migration, around forced labor, and also just demystifying decent jobs in all sectors, not just agriculture.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.